Hi, I'm Jim Jubak and welcome to my newest YouTube video for March 17th. I'm wearing my Ursula Gwynn Fanboys t-shirt. This is a t-shirt, you can't get it, but you can get other shirts like it from Boot Boys. That's Boot Boys with a Z. And you can find more about these picks as well as all my other stuff on my free website, jubakpicks.com, my subscription website, jubakam.com. And there are links down below. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe so you get notification of more videos like this one. Okay, title today is 3 Disney picks. I'm going to look at Disney, Wyndham Hotels, and BuildABear Workshop. In some markets, there's like a prototypical stock that is the ideal stock for the environment. And I would argue that right now that stock is Disney. 2 reasons. One is Disney has this very, very robust digital presence, which has done really, really well during the pandemic shutdown. This is Disney Plus, up to 100 million subscribers. That's just kept the stock powering ahead. But the rest of Disney's business, which is the theme parks, ESPN, notice they're basically very little in the way of sports, have really suffered. So what you get is a stock that's been great because of the digital presence, and yet has a lot more upside because as we get into the vaccine recovery economy, the theme parks are going to open again. Limited capacity in California, but we're talking about April 1st, if I remember correctly. Let's look at some charts. So this is a chart for Disney. You notice that one of the things I really like about it is just, even on the downturns, it really hasn't disturbed this upward trend. Okay, so I'm looking for stocks like that. They're hard to find. One stock I found that was sort of like this, but didn't really have the digital presence, was Wyndham Hotels and Resorts. It's a lot more volatile because it doesn't have the digital business, but it is a great post-vaccine recovery economy stock. It's not clear how quickly the business traveler part of the hotel and airline market is going to come back. Suggestions are it's going to take a long while, but Wyndham's real strength is in the economy and the middle market part of the hotel market. That the company has about a 40% share of branded economy and mid-market hotel presence in the US. So this is where their focus is. If you look for a digital sort of plus, they've got one of the more robust loyalty programs. They've got about 86 million loyalty members. That's not quite as much as, say, a Hilton or a Marriott at 100 million, but it's not too shabby. What we can tell about this is that a measure in the hotel industry called RevPAR, which stands for Revenue Per Available Room, really plunged in 2020 as shutdowns took effect across the country. So April was probably the low on this. Gradually been coming back. Looks like it's going to come back pretty decently in 2021, but we're still looking at a pretty long ramp. It now looks like maybe we'll get back to where we were in 2019 by about 2023. So it means that the stock is up about 19-20% for 2021 to date, but you're still looking at a very long runway for revenue to recover, as well as margins to go up. So that's one recommendation of mine. Another one is a company you probably don't follow because it's really not in the wheelhouse for most portfolios. It's BuildABear Workshop. If you're a teddy bear aficionado, you know about this company because you've probably been to a birthday party or a kids party there where people get together and they build a teddy bear or some other creature. That part of the business has really collapsed. You've got that as a big recovery. They actually closed some of those stores. But the kind of amazing thing is that this company has built an incredible digital e-commerce business. Last quarter, the e-commerce sales were up 104% year to date, quarter to quarter. Incredible growth there. Stores start to open again. We're going to see, I think, more on the upside. The stock has been pretty volatile lately, but it's still below $10. So even when you get, a pretty big jump, it's not producing a lot of dollar change. But anyway, the stock is, I think, up about 16% today. And that follows on a heel of a number of them. A lot of volatility here. But again, I think you've got a pretty good long-term upside in this stock. One of the things I want to note today is how these videos work together with my site. I can't do a lot of numbers in a video, but if you want numbers for like a stock like BuildABear Workshop or Wyndham or Disney, you can go to my free website, jubakpicks.com. You can look at the write-ups for individual picks. I made Wyndham a portfolio pick today. BuildABear I'll write up later this afternoon. So you can go look at the write-ups for those that have a lot more sort of granular detail, as well as you can see portfolios that include these and other picks. I've got a 12 to 18 month portfolio, a long-term 5-year or longer, and a dividend portfolio. All this is free. All you have to do is sign up. You can go to the site, sign up for free, just give us your email, and you'll also get every weekday, you'll get an end of the day email with whatever, with synopsis and links to all the content that I put up during the day. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and please also subscribe to my site, because you'll get my free site, jubakpicks.com, so you get good stuff for free, and jubakam.com. Thanks very much for watching.